So hello guys, what's up, how are you? And it's my very first video, and today I'm going to show you how to make outline on your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnails. And just refresh your computer and open Chrome browser. Outline like this thumbnail, and first of all open your picture you want in Adobe Photoshop, and then choose the quick selection tool with W. So at very first just select the picture you want to edit, and I am selecting this now. Yes, and if you want, and now all the areas selected. If you want to remove the, just click the Alt and then unselect that area. So I'm just selecting it now, and again it happens. And don't forget to use Alt with your mouse pad, so that you can erase the area you don't want to keep. And now it is selected fully. And when you have selected it, then just go to refine edges and choose your recommended settings, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna to choose 5 to smooth, and feather to the 3, and do them OK. After doing the refine edges, just click Ctrl J on your keyboard. So I am just going to Ctrl J, and now what it will do, it will make an duplicate layer of the picture you selected, and then go to blending options, stroke, and then use those recommended settings, whatever you want. And here are some circumstances in which you can also use inside and outside glow, and I am just making some settings. I think that opacity will be helpful, and I'm just using these settings. And yes, now it's done. You can also use it for your own YouTube thumbnails. And now just go to export and export as. It's processing, and yes, don't forget that YouTube's recommended settings for your YouTube recommended resolution for your thumbnail is 1280 multiplied by 720p. So just choose 1280 and 720, and don't forget to choose your format as JPG. Export now, and don't forget that your picture size must be less than 2 MB, so that you can upload it on YouTube as thumbnail. And if you liked our video, so just subscribe my channel